The application can create a dimension from a point to a construction. The dimension is put on the shortest path. At the actual position, you can use block, point, cargo point. As a project position, 2D, 3D polyline, spline and line. You can place dimensions that contain two values, project from the axis to a construction, and the actual from the axis to the point of the actual position. A wide range of settings is available. If the survey was done on the corners of the construction, then you can put at once two dimensions in both directions from the point, perpendicular to the axis. There is a separate command from curvilinear objects. It's possible to add to the existing dimensions the actual values automatically measured by the survey points.